I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I...
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing some spring cleaning, and I'm just going to be touching different areas of my home. So I want you guys to throw me up on a television, or if you're going to be cleaning with me, and you know, if you're not at home and you can watch this video, you know, go ahead and just get motivated. So when you do get home, you're motivated to clean. Thank you guys so much for being with me today. I am so excited about this cleaning video, you guys. It took a little time for me to get there. I actually forgot that I had this video in my arsenal, and I'm just going to be uploading it for you guys so you can get some motivation for the spring season. So if you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by today. My name is Shushana. Hello and welcome. On my channel, I do lots of home decor and cleaning motivation and some lifestyle vlogs here and there. So if that is what you are interested in, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family here on YouTube. Let me know where you are watching from, and also introduce yourself to me in the comment section, because I want to get to know you and I love to chat. So if that's something that you enjoy, definitely go ahead. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me today, and let's go ahead and get cleaning and get motivated together.
I would say now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool 'cause when you...
So what I'm doing right now is I'm in my son's bedroom, and I am just kind of trying to just get it a little bit organized and a little bit cleaner for him. I'm not going to be doing like an entire room, you know, declutter and cleaning. Actually, I was on my way to work this morning. I had about 45 minutes. So it was just like, let me get this done before I leave to go to work. So I'm just turning his bed because the way that he had it, it just was not working out for him. The dude is like, he is extremely tall, and he's 14, but he is so tall, so long for his bed. I feel like I have to get him a king size bed because his feet are literally dangling over the bed, y'all. It's insane. So I'm just turning his bed and kind of just rearranging a few pieces of furniture just to kind of make it a little bit easier for him to maneuver around his bedroom. So that's what you see me doing here now.
Goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh.
I am downstairs in the living room and I am just going to straighten up the pillows. I'm not, the living room is actually fairly clean. And this was filmed way before I got my new coffee table. So that's what you're seeing now. I'm just tidying it up a little bit before I have to head out to work. Typically in the mornings, Nyla comes downstairs and she loves the living room. So she comes in here, she takes all the pillows off the couch and I get her ready for school and everything. So typically I normally have to come back and clean up or tidy up a little bit. This is the kitchen. Yes. This is what the kitchen looks like, you guys, when a sister is tired, okay? We did not get a chance the night before cleaning up, to clean up the kitchen because we were all so tired with school activities and me having to be at work, my husband having to be at work. Sometimes when we get home and dinner is done, we are so tired and my kitchen rarely looks like this. I'm really not apologizing because this is real life. But my kitchen rarely looks like this. But on this night, my kitchen just was like, it was a mess. So we all just went to bed and the next day I just woke up and, I tackled it. So that's what you see me doing now. Also, y'all, my dishwasher is just ratchet. It's not doing its job. Like every time I put my dishes in there, it's just not washing the dishes right. And I don't know what the problem is. I cleaned it out with a fresh cleaner and it's just not doing the right thing, you guys. So we definitely have to get a new dishwasher. I feel like this kitchen is just falling apart. Like it's totally falling apart. It's not functional. That's Nyla, y'all. It's just not functional. Underneath the sink, the drain just keeps leaking. We got it fixed, and for some reason, it just did not. It didn't fix. It was just a total waste of money. So I want to really just get rid of this kitchen, like the cabinets and the dishwasher, the appliances, my stove. Honestly, it's kicking. It's about to go. Like I need a whole new kitchen. So we're just saving up, trying to budget ourselves, so that we can, do some renovations in the kitchen this summer, hopefully before the summer's out. But this is what it is for now. We just have to work with what we got. So this is what my kitchen is looking like. Also, you guys, I want to let you know, we actually had our contractor come in because we were so excited to get the walls knocked down and everything between, the walls between the kitchen and the dining room, as I was telling you guys previously. So our contractor actually came. This is my dish, y'all. It was in the dishwasher and it just did not wash properly. So I'm just rewashing. I just don't understand the point of having to pre-wash the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher, but it's okay. We got to get it together. Anyway, so our contractor came and we were telling him we wanted to get the wall down in between the dining room and the kitchen just to make the space a lot bigger and some light coming into the kitchen and more functional. However, he took all of his analysis and everything like that, and he was just like, if we have to take down this wall, it's going to be thousands of dollars. And because he was saying that they would have to move a structured wall, which is a load bearing wall. And there's a chimney behind the wall where the fridge is. There's a chimney there. And so he was just like, in order for us to knock down this wall, we're going to have to get a beam to put in the ceiling. We're going to have to get another beam to, kind of, I guess, reinforce the ceiling from falling down. And also they're going to have to knock down the chimney. Then he's going to have to rewire everything because they have to make all the wiring up to code. So he was just like, you're asking to do a whole heck of a lot more than what you think you are going to do. So he was just like, it will cost you a whole lot of money. We was like, okay, that's not going to happen because he would have to bring an engineer in, license, just a whole bunch of different things, rezoning certain things, and getting everything kind of like up to code because this house was built in 1929. So the kitchen is still a 1929 kitchen, and sadly, so are the mechanics. So we have decided to go ahead and keep that wall. Because we're not about to spend all that money on this kitchen. It's not our forever home. We're literally busting out the seams anyway. So we just decided that we're going to go ahead and keep that wall and just work with what we have. So that is the update about the kitchen. I am so bummed out because I really wanted my large island, but it's okay. I will work with what I have.
Endless nights thinking I have done something wrong, trying to find a peace of mind so I can let you go. You try to change my mind again. Why don't you tell this to somebody who cares and let me spread my wings again, floating in the air. I never thought it felt this good without. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know you thought you'd see me cry again. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know you wonder why I'm acting so at ease. 'Cause I know I need higher standards, deserve higher standards, won't reach higher standards without you. 'Cause I know I need higher standards, deserve higher standards, won't reach higher standards without you. You don't have to try to win me back, it's already too late. Now I find a peace of mind and I will gladly break us up. Don't try to change my mind again. And I know, and I know, and I know, and I know you thought you'd see me cry again. Yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know you.
So if you guys are watching up until this point, I'm just so grateful that you guys just always spend this time with me and really just watching the videos from beginning to end and commenting, interacting. It means so much to me. And it also lets YouTube know that you are interested in my content and in my channel. So thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Wonder why I'm